Hello dear friends, in this video we are going to do exercise 1.2 of differentiation question number 9. In previous video we did up to question number 8 and first two sub questions of question number 9. अभी इस वीडियो में हम क्वेश्चन नंबर 9 से we will start and first that is first two already we did, तो थर्ड वाला क्वेश्चन कर दे. So this third sub question, y is equal to sin inverse of 1 minus x square upon 1 plus x square. तो इसमें हमें सब्स्टिट्यूशन करना होगा x is equal to, we put x is equal to what, tan theta. Therefore theta is equal to tan inverse of x. Therefore theta is equal to tan inverse of x. So y is equal to what, sin inverse of here 1 minus tan square theta upon 1 plus tan square theta. 1 plus tan square theta. Now 1 minus tan square theta and 1 plus tan square theta, that is equal to cos of 2 theta. So it is sin inverse of 1 minus tan square upon 1 plus tan square, it is cos of 2 theta. So y is equal to sin inverse of, now we use here a right angle, that is cos of 2 theta, we write sin of pi by 2 minus 2 theta. Sin inverse of sin is identity function, so it is y equals to, यहाँ पे now this y will be equal to only this pi by 2 minus 2 theta. So it is pi by 2 minus 2 theta is pi by 2 minus 2 times of theta. So theta is equal to tan inverse of x. So y is equal to pi by 2 minus 2 times of tan inverse of x. Y is equal to pi by 2 minus 2 times of tan inverse of x. So differentiating with respect to x, dy by dx is equal to derivative of pi by 2 is 0 minus 2 times derivative of tan inverse of x, which is 1 upon 1 plus x square. So our answer is dy by dx is equal to minus 2 upon 1 plus x square. Done. Next question. Now we do question number series 5. Y is equal to cos inverse of 3x minus 4x cube. Y is equal to cos inverse of 3x minus 4x cube. इसमें भी हमें सब्स्टिट्यूशन करना है. See this fifth question, y equals to cos inverse of 3x minus 4x cube. So we use formula cos of 3 theta is equal to 3 cos theta. Cos of 3 theta is equal to here sin of 3 theta equals to, we use formula sin 3 theta is 3 sin theta minus 4 sin cube theta. So it is cos inverse of, we substitute here x is equal to sin theta. So 3 sin theta minus 4 sin cube theta. 4 sin cube theta. Then it is cos inverse of, so it is 3 sin theta minus 4 sin cube theta is sine of 3 theta. So it is sine of 3 theta. Our substitution is x is equal to sine theta. This substitution, therefore theta is sine inverse of x. Here it is sine and here it is cos inverse. So y is equal to cos inverse of cos of pi by 2 minus 3 theta. 3 theta. And so this will be identity function. So therefore y is equal to pi by 2 minus 3 theta, which is pi by 2 minus 3 times of theta. So theta is sine inverse of x. So it is sine inverse of x. Then differentiating with respect to x, dy by dx is equal to derivative of pi by 2, that is constant is 0, minus 3 times derivative of sine inverse x. It is 1 upon root of 1 minus x square, derivative of sine inverse x. Derivative of pi by 2 is 0, minus 3 constant, derivative of sine inverse x, 1 upon root of 1 minus x square. So our answer will be dy by dx is equal to, इसमें आंसर आएगा minus 3 upon root of 1 minus x square. We'll do next question. Here question number 6. Question number 6 we will do. Question number 6 is y is equal to cos inverse of e raised to power x minus e raised to power minus x upon e raised to power x plus e raised to power minus x. So e raised to power minus x, that means it is e raised to 1 upon e raised to power x. So y is equal to cos inverse of, it is e raised to power x minus 1 upon e raised to power x, e raised to power x plus 1 upon e raised to power x. हाँ, इसको हम सिंप्लीफाई करेंगे. So that we will get, it is cos inverse of e raised to power x square minus 1 upon e raised to power x square, e raised to power x whole square, that is e raised to power 2x plus 1, and denominator जो e raised to power x है, that is getting cancelled. यहाँ पे LCM लेंगे हम, e raised to power x into e raised to power x, e raised to power x whole square. फिर आगे इसको आप लिख सकते हैं e raised to power 2x which I wrote here, और denominator e raised to power x, denominator e raised to power x, that is getting cancelled over here. Then here y is equal to cos inverse of e raised to power x, we will put e raised to power x is equal to tan theta. Therefore theta is equal to tan inverse of e raised to power x. So यहाँ पे आएगा tan square theta minus 1 upon tan square theta plus 1. But हमें फार्मूला है 1 minus tan square theta upon 1 plus tan square theta. So we will take minus sign from here. It is cos inverse of minus sign from here. It is 1 minus tan square theta upon 1 plus tan square theta. 1 plus tan square theta. So that it is Now this will be y is equal to cos inverse of minus 1 minus tan square theta upon 1 plus tan square theta. So this 1 minus tan square theta upon 1 plus tan square theta is cos of 2 theta. This is cos of 2 theta. This is cos of 2 theta. But we know cos of pi minus theta is minus cos theta. Therefore, cos of pi minus theta is minus cos theta. So इसमें हम लिखेंगे cos inverse of, this is cos of pi minus 2 theta. So that this y will be equal to, this is the identity function cos inverse of cos, this is pi minus 2 theta. This is pi minus 2 times of, or theta is equal to what? Theta is tan inverse of e raised to power x. It is tan inverse of e raised to power x. Now differentiating with respect to x, we will get dy by dx 0 minus 2 times of derivative of tan inverse of e raised to power x. It is 1 upon e raised to power 2x into derivative of e raised to power x. It is minus 2 e raised to power x upon 1 plus e raised to power 2x.